In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Hostinger domain to systeme.io. By the end of this walkthrough, your custom domain will point to your systeme.io site or funnel, so visitors see your pages at your own URL. Make sure you have access to both your Hostinger account and your systeme.io account before we start. First, sign into your Hostinger account and open the area where your domains are managed. You'll typically see a section labeled Domains or something similar on the dashboard. Choose the exact domain you want to connect. This ensures you're editing the right settings and won't affect any other domains you might own. Next, open the DNS or name server settings for that domain. You're looking for the place where you can view and edit DNS records like CNAME and TXT. If you see that your name servers point somewhere else, remember that DNS would be managed wherever those name servers are set. If the name servers are on Hostinger, you can proceed right here. Now switch over to your systeme.io account and open the custom domain setup section. Systeme.io will guide you through the connection process and display the exact DNS records or connection details you need. These usually include record types, host names, and values. You don't have to guess anything. Just use what systeme.io provides. Copy the DNS records or connection details from systeme.io exactly as shown. Accuracy matters here, especially with host names like the root or www and with the destination values. If the instructions list more than one record, copy each one carefully. Head back to your Hostinger DNS settings and paste those records into the correct fields. Choose the right record type, enter the host name, and paste the value provided by systeme.io. The default TTL is typically fine. Save your changes when you're done. If Hostinger warns you about existing records for the same host, double check that you're not leaving any conflicting entries for the same name. After saving, give DNS time to propagate. This can be quick, but it may take several hours and in some cases up to a day. Once you've waited a bit, return to systeme.io and confirm the domain inside the custom domain setup. You'll usually see a verify or confirm option there. When verification succeeds, your domain will be connected. It's normal for SSL to finalize shortly after, so don't worry if the secure padlock appears a little later. That's it. You've connected your Hostinger domain to systeme.io by updating DNS, saving the records, waiting for propagation, and confirming inside systeme.io.